part of Perfect Core's support of the beauty community during the COVID-19 outbreak, we are offering complimentary use of our Ucam for Web services through July 31st, 2020. The offer includes up to 100 makeup SKUs and 3 looks. For more information, please check out perfectcore.com. Ucam for Web, the AR and AI technology behind virtual makeup try-on. Our facial technology allows for real-time, live, and hyper-realistic try-on. Makeup versatility offers you a wide range of makeup effects, including lipstick, blush, eyeliner, and eyeshadow. You're able to provide complete looks combined with multi-products to create amazing full-look makeovers. Lastly, let your customers see the effects of your products. Compare before and after photos live in the iframe. Ucam for Web is a web-based platform allowing for consumer engagement from anywhere. Since it's a cloud platform, it's a quick and easy setup for your business. We support Safari, Chrome, and all major browsers. You're able to have access to complete data management with analytics reporting, and improve your conversion rate and lower return rate through the technology and user stay time. Mackenzie is now going to walk you through a demo of our technology.
Hi, I'm Mackenzie, a Senior Business Development Manager at Perfect Corporation, the leaders in AI and AR beauty technology. Today, I will be showing you our Ucam for Web platform, the virtual try-on solution designed for indie beauty brands. We are going to walk you through how to successfully integrate our self-service technology into your website to drive business and deliver the interactive shopping experience your customers are craving at home. Please keep in mind, most of these steps can be completed yourself. However, you may need to work with a web developer on the final steps. Let's get started. Step 1. To create a Ucam for Web account, you can sign up here on the Perfect Corp website. Activate your free trial by selecting either the Premium or Essential plan. Here you can find the details of what is included in each plan. Step 2. Once your account is created and you are signed in, you will be directed to the home page. To get started, you can easily add branded makeup SKUs on the console. There are 4 beauty categories available: lipstick, blush, eyeshadow, and eyeliner. Here you can create, edit, delete, and enable SKUs or looks. You can manually add the SKU information such as its color, pattern, intensity, and image. Once you have entered the SKU information, you can preview the AR try-on effect to check the color accuracy. Step 3. Once you have finished entering your SKUs and looks, you can select an iframe template and color scheme for your website. There are 3 different layouts to choose from. In this selection, you can customize your model selections. You have a choice to select from the options here, or you can upload your own. Step 4. Now it's time to integrate the API into your website. Your web developer can integrate the JavaScript code into your website using the SKU ID, Look ID, to apply specific makeup SKUs. This JavaScript SDK provides a set of client-side functionalities that enables you to use the web page consultation module on your website. If you're using Shopify, download our Shopify integration guide in the Document Center. Step 5. After successfully integrating Virtual Try-On into your website, you can view the analytics in your Ucam for Web console. Here, you can see analytics on sessions of users, product try-ons, and impressions. For any further questions or assistance, please visit the FAQ page or contact our support center. If you are looking for more categories, contact our enterprise sales team on the Perfect Corp website. The future of beauty innovation is here. Discover the difference with Ucam Beauty Tech today.